Hi, I'm Sarah Laidlaw, Makeup and Hair Director for Priceline. You know those days when you've done your makeup and an hour later it's almost gone? I'm going to show you some tips on how to make your makeup last longer. The smoother your skin is, the better your makeup's going to sit, which means it'll last longer. So an exfoliant is your best friend. Use one a couple of days a week for optimal results and taking off all of those old skin cells and bringing that new happy skin to the surface. To get longevity out of your foundation, a primer is your best friend. What it does is creates a barrier of sorts on the skin so that the foundation doesn't absorb into the skin like a moisturiser. And it has the added benefit of softening fine lines and the appearance of pores. Your choice of foundation can really make a difference. If you have super dry skin, using something a bit more hydrating can last longer. And if you have very oily skin, using something more matte makes a difference. I love using a waterproof eyeliner along the upper lash line and just onto the first third of the lower lash line, smudged out with a short brush. It gives a defined eye that stays put all day. A budge-proof formula really helps when it comes to mascara. You could try a waterproof formulation to help stop any transfer on the upper eyelid and fallout underneath. Or you could try a tubing formula. The mascara forms tubes on the outside of every hair. It's smudge-proof and it removes really easily with warm water. We all like a hydrating lip colour, but we know it doesn't really last. If you really want payoff out of your colour, go for a long-lasting formula. A lip paint really makes a difference and it will last the distance. The only thing to remember, oil removes makeup. So if you're out to dinner eating something oily, it's going to take it off. I love a setting spray. If you have dry skin, choose a hydrating formula. If you have oily skin, use a matte formula. They're designed to lock everything in place so that you get much more wear out of your makeup. Just spritz across your whole face and you're good to go. So a few application tweaks and clever product choices and you'll have your makeup lasting a lot longer.